Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ibrahim's World Vision. Today we are going to do a smart door lock keypad system. So this project is very helpful and you might have seen this in apartments doors and office doors. This keypad would be there and people who needs to enter it will type the password and enter it. So I have made a demo structure like this. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that it would notify you whenever I upload a video. Now let us see what are the components required. An Arduino Uno. This is the main microcontroller of our project and it has an Atmega 328P microcontroller. It totally has 14 digital pins and 6 analog pins. A 12-volt solenoid lock. So this works under electromagnetic effect. I2C LCD display. This I2C module is very helpful as the LCD has many pins. It will consume all the digital pins of the Arduino Uno, so we will not have sufficient pins for the other components. So whenever we use this I2C board, it will make the pins into 4 pins, which is GND, VCC, SDA and SCL. A 4x4 keypad. You can also use this keypad. I am using this one because I have broke the minute connection inside it. A touch sensor, a 5-volt relay module, a 12-volt jack, female jack to connect the 12-volt adapter, 5-volt DC buzzer, 2 LEDs, green and red, a breadboard to do the connection, and this breadboard is very useful because we don't need to do soldering. A 12-volt DC adapter of 1.5 amps to connect the solenoid lock. A cable to code the Arduino Uno. Screwdriver to tight the connections and tight the screw. Few jumper wires. Now let me start the connection. Now let me connect the keypad with the jumper wires. Now connect the R1 pin to digital pin number 2, R2 to digital pin number 3, R3 to digital pin number 4 and R4 to digital pin number 5. Now connect C1 to digital pin number 9, C2 to digital pin number 8, C3 to digital pin number 7 and C4 to digital pin number 6. Now let us connect the buzzer to the breadboard and let me place the LED's negative leg, negative one, which is the short pin, to the negative row of the breadboard. Now do the same to the red LED. Now take 2 male-to-male jumper wires and connect the 5V to the positive row of the breadboard and GND to the negative row of the breadboard. Take 2 male-to-male jumper wire. Now connect the positive of the buzzer to digital pin number 11 and negative to the negative row of the breadboard. Now take 2 male-to-male jumper wires and connect the green LED to digital pin number 12 and red LED to digital pin number 13. Now let us connect the relay module. Take 3 male to female jumper wires and connect the female part to the relay module and now connect the positive to VCC to the positive row of the breadboard and GND to the negative row of the breadboard and connect the input pin to digital pin number 10 and now take 4 male to female jumper wires and connect the Now take 4 male to female jumper wires and connect the female part to the LCD display. Now connect the VCC to VIN pin of the Arduino Uno and GND to the GND pin of the Arduino Uno. Now connect the SDA to analog pin number 4 and SCL to analog pin number 5. Now take the touch sensor, connect the VCC to the positive row of the breadboard and GND to the negative row, and connect the signal pin to analog pin number 1. Now let me take the solenoid lock and the 12 volt female jack and connect the blue wire of the solenoid lock to the negative line of the female jack and tight the screw, and take one male to male jumper wire and connect the common to the positive of the female jack. Tight both the screws. Now connect the positive, which is the red wire, to the normally open pin of the relay module, which is left side of the common pin. Now we have done the connection. Now let us code the Arduino Uno, and I will fix do a setup like a door setup and a house setup, and I will fix all the components and show you the video. Now let me open the Arduino IDE. It will load for few seconds and it will open. Now let me click on file and click on open and search for keypad door lock. Let me click on open and it has came. So this is our whole code. So I will give it in the description. Now you need to install all these libraries, and here if the LCD after uploading the code doesn't work, you can change it into 0x3f, and here you need to type your password. So in my case I am just typing 4450. You can change it according to your will. So this is the whole code. Now let us upload it to the Arduino Uno. Now go to tools, select the board as Arduino Uno and the port as COM13. In my case it's COM13. It can change in your device according to your device. Now let me click on upload, and the uploading is done. Now let us continue with the project. I have completed the setup. Now I have done a door like structure and a house setup. Outside the house I have kept the LCD display and the keypad, and inside the house I have kept the other components, which is the solenoid lock, Arduino Uno, relay module and others. Now whenever we turn on the device, the LCD prints enter password. So let me enter it 4450. So our device doesn't want others to see the password. So instead of the password, whenever we click on one digit, instead of the digit, our device prints the star button, so others can't see our password. Now let me click the hash button and we can enter the door, enter inside the house and close the door. Now let me type a wrong password. The red light will turn on and the buzzer will beep. See, the buzzer beeps. So this will alarm us and we can find out who is the person outside the door. Now let me type the password, which is 4450, and the person can enter the house and close the door. Now after entering the house, to exit from the house they can touch this touch sensor and the door will open and they can leave the house and close the door. Now let me change the password. So for that, here we need to type the B button and it will ask the old password, because if it asks the new password directly, anyone can change it. So let me type the old password, which is 4450, and now it will ask the new password. I will just give it as 1234. It will ask to confirm the password 1234, and it is mentioning that password change. Now if I try to type the old password, which is 4450, it will just show wrong password and start beeping. So now we need to type the current password, which is 1234. Now the door will open and we can enter the house and close it. Now to exit, touch the touch sensor, exit the house and close the door. You can see that the project is working very perfectly. You can also try it in our home. It is very easier and very helpful for our home. This can be set up in home, offices, apartments, wherever we want. Wherever we need safety, we can use this setup, and it is also cost effective. And if we keep on using the key, we need to hide it from others. But this password would be very easy and we no need to carry it somewhere. In future, I will make an attendance system using the keypad and RFID combined. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that it would motivate me to do more projects like this, and it would notify you whenever I upload a video. In the comment box, leave which project should I do next. Bye.